What's up, guys? I just want to talk about the losing trades I took today. They're all psychology. It wasn't really the thesis or the general edge in the market. The edge was good. The reversal point that I had was insane. It was just I wasn't risking enough, and I just kept on trying to jump the gun, thinking the move was going to happen without me. Now, noticing this after all those bad trades, I got into two good ones with ES and NQ, and that made up for all the losers that I took. So if you want to trade with me in the premium members, learn how I trade, the master course, whatever it is, www.Wyze.trading.com. You have everything here: the premium Discord, the master course, lifetime access, and the inner circle. Any in-depth questions, you can always message me personally, or you can just press the about button and you're gonna find everything in here about each product. So with that being said, check out this video, right to green on the day. All right, let's see how this goes here. Two cons long, I'll add if I see a nice, some nice history being created here. Got 8 option contracts going on right now, both longing NQ.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Alright, let's see if we can follow this back. Same spot that I got in before. Guys are really trying to push this up. There's VX still rising here. Seeing some pretty big negative delta prints.
Order filled.
Price is getting really tight here. I see a nice pop up now.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see if we can short this here, ES. Seeing some decent sized prints come in here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm cutting 3 out there.
Order filled.
Another 3 out there. Add this base in here. I think we might fall.
Order filled.
Taking another there. Half out here. Alright, so that loss is NQ loss. Just kept on getting worked out. It was just too crazy with the volatility in this early morning session. That is why I took those profits quite early, just to bring me back to a solid area. Here comes the possible break of 50-30. There's a lot of negative delta in here. They weren't letting this pass. I want to see if we can get this break to the bottom side and maybe get a nice flush in here. Like that.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out 3 in there. I'll hold these last 3 in here. Again, massive negative delta here. I want to see a possible pullback into this range in here, like this, and then come back down, keeping the stop. Very big divergence between NQ and ES here. We'll see who holds each other up right now. If NQ is going to hold ES up, or if ES is going to bring NQ down. I did take some nasty losses on NQ this morning, as you can see. There was just way too much wicking in here. I didn't pay attention to volume, and I just had my entries very, very poor. Thesis was right. I started longing in here for this move to here, but I just kept on getting wicking out. Couldn't wait. Thought the move was going to happen, and that was bad psychology for me in there. Very, very bad. That's why I sized up here on ES to make the profits back, seeing sellers on the tape on book maps. Big move might happen here. I'm going to release a contract if we get a little pop up. Nice big selling in here.
Order filled.
Released a con in there. Moving my stop down now. Alright, I'm just noting to everybody this take profit 1 area is very close to hitting right here. Some buyback in here. Nothing too crazy to worry about. Just checking on NQ. Holding that good area. This was an area to retest to long in here. But I would not long, being that I'm currently in a short position on the other indice. That just does not make sense here.
Stop filled.
Alright, Stop filled there. That was a decent trade. Not the best, but it was pretty decent.
Order filled.
Alright, max risk here is $280.
Order filled.
Again, now $230 max risk. And now break even here. I want to see a nice follow-up move.
Order filled.
Alright, 2 out there, which is half. I'm looking for the other 2 in here.
Order filled.
1 out there. This, my friends, is how you play
Order
volume.
filled.
I'm all the way out. $280 or $240 risk, and I made about $1,300 on that 1 minute candle in there. Again, with that aggressive adding in there, like I just did, and moving my stop loss up, that brings my risk to reward so much greater, going from a possible loss of $280 on 2 contracts to a possible loss of $230 on 4 contracts, understanding volume. That gave me a $1,300 win, which is absolutely huge. That is over that's almost a 5.5 risk to reward in just 1 minute. Making insane plays like that, you can literally be done in 1 minute if you're okay with making those profits.